Hey everyone, and welcome to Bassman Studio. I'm in beautiful Puerto Rico, painting a Neptune painting at my parents' house here in the sunny Caribbean. So thanks for watching, relax, and I hope you enjoyed this very short video from Bassman Studio. So here we are as I start the mural painting. I've already started a mermaid painting last time, and I have my underdrawing, and I've just started painting in the color on the bottom part of the mural. So now what I'm going to do is set up the palette, and you can see I'm only using 3 primary colors in white. And I have my Home Depot bucket. I'm not sponsored by Home Depot, but I am using Home Depot paint, which is actually very good for painting on walls. And right now I'm just painting in like the back part of the tail. And just covering it as much as I can. And now I'm just putting in like the basic flesh tones for the background. Keeping it very simple, like as usual. And just brushing in big, large areas. So I have the basic flesh tones down on the painting. Then I can start working in shadows. And as you can see, I started putting in the shadows, basic shadows, in the background. But there's still much to do. And now I'm painting in some of the coral. And again, this Home Depot paint is just extraordinary for painting on walls. And now I'm just painting in part of the sky just to complete the background. And adding in any beautiful detail like this orange in the sky, just to give it a little bit of power. And there we have it. There's our completed Neptune section of the mural. So I hope you enjoyed that video from Bassman Studio. Remember, if you have not subscribed, please do so to see more videos coming soon from Bassman Studio. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. I appreciate it. And stay tuned for new videos coming soon from Bassman Studio. Any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer anything. And have a great and amazing day. Remember, be creative, be brave, and don't be afraid to express yourself. Have an amazing and creative day, everyone.